MuseScore versus Guitar Pro. Which music software is better? Choosing the right music software can completely change how you compose and learn music without complicated tools. MuseScore offers free notation, while Guitar Pro focuses on guitar tab and advanced editing. MuseScore and Guitar Pro are two popular music software options. MuseScore is a free open-source notation program, while Guitar Pro is a paid, specialized tool for guitarists emphasizing tablature and multi-track editing. The core difference lies in accessibility versus feature depth. MuseScore is a free open-source music notation software available on multiple platforms. It allows users to create, edit, and share sheet music with a focus on traditional notation. MuseScore supports a wide range of instruments and offers extensive customization for score layout and playback. It works by providing an intuitive interface, where composers can input notes using a mouse, keyboard, or MIDI device. The software includes features such as dynamic markings, lyrics, and chord symbols, making it suitable for classical and contemporary music. Strengths of MuseScore include its cost-free nature, strong community support, and compatibility with music XML and MIDI files. However, it may lack some advanced guitar-specific tools like detailed tablature editing or integrated effects. MuseScore is ideal for composers, arrangers, and educators who want a versatile notation tool without financial investment, or for those working with full orchestral scores. Guitar Pro is a commercial music software designed primarily for guitarists and bassists, focusing on tablature and multi-track editing. It enables users to write, edit, and play back guitar tabs with detailed control over techniques such as bends, slides, hammer-ons, and pull-offs. Guitar Pro supports up to 6 tracks, allowing for complex arrangements with drums, keyboards, and vocals alongside guitar parts. The software includes a built-in mixer, effects, and a realistic sound engine for playback. It works through a user-friendly interface optimized for stringed instruments, letting users input notes via mouse, keyboard, or MIDI. Strengths include its powerful guitar-specific features, extensive library of tablature files, and tools for practice like tempo adjustment and looping. Limitations include its cost and less emphasis on traditional notation for full scores. Guitar Pro is ideal for guitarists, band members, and composers who focus on guitar-driven music and want advanced tab editing and playback capabilities. MuseScore and Guitar Pro serve different needs in music creation. MuseScore excels in comprehensive music notation, supporting a wide range of instruments and genres, making it perfect for composers and educators working with full scores. Its free and open-source nature lowers the barrier to entry. Guitar Pro, on the other hand, specializes in guitar and bass tablature, providing advanced tools for stringed instrument techniques and multi-track arrangements. This makes it invaluable for guitarists wanting detailed control over their parts and realistic playback. The trade-off is MuseScore's limited guitar-specific features versus Guitar Pro's higher cost and narrower focus. For example, a classical composer would benefit more from MuseScore, while a guitarist creating band arrangements would find Guitar Pro more efficient. Both support MIDI and Music XML, but their interfaces and workflows cater to different user priorities. Choose MuseScore if you need a free versatile notation tool for full scores and diverse instruments without specialized guitar features. Opt for Guitar Pro if you're a guitarist or bassist looking for detailed tablature editing, multi-track arrangements, and realistic playback. Both programs excel in their areas, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize broad notation or guitar-focused